Hello friends, welcome to Google Tech. Today in this video, day number of 15 with DAX functions in Power BI, we are going to see an interesting formula. Previously, we have discussed about top 8 DAX functions which is used in Power BI. In that we have already completed date and time, different kind of date and time logical functions and informative functions as well. And in this series, we have started with logical functions, which is if how to use if logical function in Power BI and logical function, and how to use both if and logical function. Altogether, we have seen the previous videos of not, if not, or and if or conditions. If you have missed to watch these previous videos, we have provided the playlist link in description. Please do watch and continue the series of DAX functions. And if you are watching our channel for the first time, if you are not subscribed, please do subscribe and hit a like button. And today in this video, we are going to use switch case in logical functions of Power BI. How to use the switch case and what are the syntax which is used, we are going to see in this video. Please try to watch the video till the end without skipping so that you can understand the formula without any gap. Let's start with the today's video. All the previously discussed functions which is already available, you can see the columns which you have created is blank, blank, if condition and undefined, not everything. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new column for switch. I'm just naming it as switch. It's equal to, and if you type switch, create a tab, and you will get an syntax with the meaning or the function which explanation which is going to how this switch function is going to work. Returns different results depending on the value of an expression. This is how this particular switch case works. So first, what is the meaning of expression? What I'm going to do is I'm going to give it as true, which means my result should get if the value is true, whichever the condition which you are going to give it is true. I'm hitting an comma. I'm just coming to the next line by hitting shift plus enter. Now I'm going to give the first condition. The value is nothing but the condition which we are going to check. So what is the outcome which I am expecting is, if it is a east in the region, it should be sunrise as usual, which we have discussed already. And today we are going to see if it is a west, it should show me as sunset. That's the two things. If it is central, we'll mention it as out of region, or leave it in that as blank. Okay, so the same I'm going to giving the region. If it is east, giving me the result as sun rises here. Okay, done. So now I'm going to give the second condition, which is a valid or else condition. Let's say if my region is equal to west, then sunset occurs here. So it is done. I'm going to close the bracket and hit enter. So you can see two different answers we got, which is if my region is east, I'm getting the result as sun rises here. If it is my region is west, then I'm getting the output as sunsets occur here. So this is how the switch case work. If my region is east, sun rises here. It's checking this condition. Now if it is not, then it's automatically going to the second condition, which is output of west is sunset occurs here. I'm not going to show you the if interpretation of both if and switch condition over here in this video. I'm giving it to yours practice, so try to incorporate both if and switch condition, and please post your results in the comment box. I'm excited to see how many people you have tried this if and switch condition in your thing. And if you are getting any error or any query in this set of videos of Power BI DAX, please do post your queries in the comment box. We will try to respond to you as soon as possible. And moreover, I just want to call out a name of a subscriber who's Chandrasekharan. He is continuously watching our video. It's a great motivation for us, and he used to ask his queries in the comment box as we are requesting. Thank you so much for your attention and interest in watching our videos, Chandrasekhar. Thank you so much. We will see you in the next exciting video. Until then, bye from Google Tech. Thank you and Jai Hind.